Service manual is provided as a method to navigate point-and-click style to all of the repair information provided by the OEM for the selected vehicle. For users who have experience with previous versions of our electronic repair products, this layout will be familiar. The table of contents is broken down by automotive service categories. Click on any category to view the available subcategories. Briefly, here are some of the specific options included. Common Specs and Procedures provides a shortcut to many types of popular lookups such as firing order torque specs, oil pressure, fuel pressure, spark plug gap, and similar requests. DTC Index. This provides a list of all trouble codes for powertrain and body control modules. TSB provides a master list of technical service bulletins for all categories. Keyword Search provides a method to locate information without using the categories method. Remember to type in the exact part names, as the thesaurus or word matching function to find alias names is not available here, or just enter a simple, more generic search term. Once search results are displayed, the component and/or info type filters on the left side can be applied to instantly reduce the number of results to more easily find the desired information. The filter may also be removed to restore original search results by clicking on the red circle as shown.